In-flight Wi-Fi is a convenient way to stay connected while traveling, but knowing how it works, how much it costs, and how to optimize your experience can make a big difference. Here's a quick guide to everything you need to know. The Wi-Fi landscape. Airline Wi-Fi connects passengers to the internet using two main technologies, satellite and air-to-ground. Satellite Wi-Fi offers global coverage, ideal for long international flights, but can be slower and affected by weather. Air-to-ground is faster and more reliable over land, but is limited to specific regions with ground-based towers, mainly used for domestic flights. The price of connectivity. Airlines offer different pricing models for Wi-Fi, including per flight, per device, and unlimited plans. Per flight, pricing usually ranges from $5 to $30, while per device charges apply if you want to connect multiple gadgets. Unlimited plans allow unlimited use for a fixed price. Pricing varies by airline, with premium services sometimes offering free Wi-Fi, so it's worth comparing options when booking. Tips for finding the best deals and discounts. To save on in-flight Wi-Fi, consider joining frequent flyer programs or using airline credit cards that offer Wi-Fi perks. Some airlines run promotions offering free or discounted Wi-Fi, and loyalty points can sometimes be redeemed for Wi-Fi access. Look out for bundled offers or seasonal deals that include Wi-Fi in the ticket price. Optimizing your connection. For the best in-flight Wi-Fi experience, try to connect during off-peak hours, when fewer passengers are online. Understand that bandwidth limitations exist. Browsing and emails are typically fine, but streaming and large downloads may be slower. If you plan to stream, consider downloading content ahead of time or lowering video quality, and use a smartphone or tablet for better performance than a laptop. Staying connected in flight. To maximize Wi-Fi speed, close unnecessary apps and background tasks. If you're on an air-to-ground system, sitting toward the front of the plane can help improve the signal. If you experience connection issues, reboot the Wi-Fi or ask a flight attendant for assistance. For reliability, consider downloading entertainment or work materials before the flight. Troubleshooting common Wi-Fi problems. If you encounter slow speeds, reduce high bandwidth activities like video streaming. If there's no connection, wait a few minutes as Wi-Fi is often activated after takeoff. For air-to-ground systems, moving to a different seat may improve signal. If problems persist, ask the crew for assistance. Beyond the basics. While airline Wi-Fi is generally secure, using a PN for sensitive activities like banking is recommended. Apps like Netflix or Spotify allow you to download content for offline use, and flight tracking apps help you anticipate when the connection may drop. These tools enhance the in-flight browsing experience. The future of in-flight internet. With the development of 5G SIN and low-orbit satellites, like SpaceX's has Starlink, in-flight internet will likely become faster, more affordable, and more reliable. These advancements promise to improve coverage and speeds, enabling smoother HD streaming and larger file downloads, making the in-flight internet experience significantly better for passengers.